Planning your budget for domestic travel involves several key steps to ensure to make the most of your trip without overspending. Here's a step-by-step guide. Set a total budget. Determine how much you can afford to spend on your trip. This will be the total amount you're comfortable allocating to transportation, accommodation, food, sightseeing and sports, entertainment and adventures activities, and any other general expenses. Choose your destination. Decide where you want to go for your domestic travel. Consider factors like distance, transportation costs, and the cost of living in that area. Your budget will depend on you are traveling solo, as a couple or a family. Estimate transportation costs. Research the cost of transportation to your destination. This could include fuel if you're driving, or the price of flights, trains, or buses if you're using public transportation. Don't forget to include the cost of getting around once you arrive, such as rental cars or local transportation. Accommodations form an important factor of your travel plan, and you would want the best experience in the given budget. Whereas one may look into different accommodation options, such as hotels, hostels, vacation rentals, or staying with friends or family specifically when you are on long-term tour and have limited budget. Compare prices and amenities to find the best value for your budget. Budget for food and dining. Plan how much you'll need to spend on food each day. You can estimate this based on the cost of meals at your destination or set a daily allowance for dining out. Factor in activities and entertainment. Research activities and attractions at your destination and estimate their costs. This could include admission fees, guided tours, outdoor excursions, or entertainment like concerts or shows. Allocate for miscellaneous expenses. Leave some room in your budget for unexpected expenses or souvenirs. It's always a good idea to have a buffer in case of emergencies. Track your spending. Once you're on your trip, keep track of your expenses to make sure you're staying within your budget. You can use a budgeting app or simply jot down your purchases in a notebook, adjust as needed. Whereas travel activity. Some of Prime Life experiences you may try to get the maximum out of your trip. If you find that you're spending more in certain areas than you planned, adjust your budget accordingly. Look for ways to save money, such as cooking your own meals instead of eating out or finding free or low-cost activities to enjoy where you are on long-term adventure plan. Reflect and learn. After your trip, take some time to reflect on your experiences. Were there any unexpected expenses you didn't account for? Use this information to inform your future travel decisions to make your experiences better. Here is the checklist for domestic travel. Tickets and boarding pass, government ID, driving license, cash and cards, mobile phone and chargers, hotel vouchers and other tickets, medicines, clothings, toiletries, other general accessories. The general details on the video are available on the below description. Travel 360 Media aims to bring wide and exiting range of video on travel and tour. Please like, share our video, and subscribe our channel.